Okay, so acids. This is the second section in chapter 3 in your book here about acids and bases. We first talked about solutions. Well, solutions are usually acids and bases in this situation. So, some things about acids. They are substances that taste sour, react with metals and carbonates, and turn litmus paper blue. So you can find them in like different types of food, just some very basic acids, those that are pretty weak. Or they can be found in fertilizers or even in batteries. So, different types of acids. Acids react with carbonate ions by making carbon dioxide. So that's one of the things. If it reacts with a carbonate, it's going to produce carbon dioxide as one of its byproducts. An indicator is the compound used that changes color in the presence of an acid or a base. So there are different indicators out there. The most common would be litmus paper. Okay, so acids and bases, some different common ones: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and then their formulas. Acetic acid is vinegar. Sulfuric acid you'll find in batteries. A lot of times you'll find things like, I don't have the kind of acid that you find in fruit on here, but that is also like citric acid. Like citric acid is the one that you would find for those. For bases, things like sodium hydroxide, which is baking soda. Ammonia, which is oftentimes used to clean things. So these are different examples of common acids and bases. Alright, bases. These are substances that taste bitter, feel slippery, and turn litmus blue. A good example, baking, we use carbon dioxide, which is a very common type of base, very kind of weak base. A lot of cleaning products have bases in them, or base to begin with. Things like like when you use mortar for bricks and things like that, that's a base as well. So, lots of different ways that we use bases. Okay, some other properties of bases include that they are slippery, they turn red litmus blue, and they don't react with metals or carbonates. So they're kind of like the opposite. So they turn that red litmus blue, they don't react with the metals. So they don't, like acid will kind of eat away at metals, bases do not. Okay, so that is the end of this section. Just what basics of what acids and bases are. This is in your packet, and you can do it on PowerSchool Learning as well. Enjoy!